Hi, friends. Today, I'd like to talk about the power of positive thinking. The purpose is to help you release yourself from limiting thoughts. I was recently inspired by watching the movie Everything Everywhere All at Once, and it really got me to thinking, what if? What if I said everything was okay even in the storms of life? I can change my reality. I don't have to be where I am right now, and then truly believe it. You can manifest positivity through your thoughts and words until it becomes action and real. That does not mean that things will magically work in your favor. Oh no. You do have to act on the thought in some way. For instance, you may say, I deserve to be happy. But what does that look like for you? It could mean having your favorite snack, like a taco, or something that just simply makes you happy, like riding a bike. I invite you to listen to the phrases I will introduce you to in this recording and really let them settle in your mind and spirit. What do each of the phrases look like for you? Do you want them to be true? Can you believe them? Will it hurt you to try? No commitments, no expectations. Just start with a thought. These are not new phrases, but you want to constantly remind yourself of who you are and who you can be. Ready? Let's grow together. I am worthy. I am compassionate. I am desirable. I take care of my body. I am beautiful. I am powerful. I know how to get what I want. I do not operate out of fear. I believe in myself. I can handle stress. I am organized. I am fun. I am blessed. I am rich. I am loved. I am accountable. I love myself. I take care of my body. I am excited about my future. My life is positive. I am grateful for every day. I surround myself with knowledgeable people. My tribe is successful. I am kind. I am giving. Love surrounds me. The universe protects me. God covers my life. I am an inspiration to others. I attract positivity. Negativity passes over me. I am creative. I practice my creativity often. I have multiple streams of income. I breathe in peace. I am consistent. I take charge. I have discernment. I feed myself nutritious food. I attract opportunity. I handle disappointment with grace. I do not let failure rule my emotions. I use rejection as a learning tool. I exude positivity. My aura is peaceful. I am respected. I do not dwell in negative thoughts. I speak with purpose. I am reliable. I am open-minded. I am an inspiration to others. I am a leader. I am thankful for every day. I deserve peace. I deserve the best of all things. I deserve luxury. I believe in faith, love, and hope. Which one of these phrases speaks to your mind, body, and spirit the most? Really think about those phrases and decide which ones are the ones you want to put action to and make real. Remember, all things are possible. Thank you for your time, energy, and support. Like, share the piece, comment with love. Until next time, I pray all good things, abundance, and healing in your life. Bye-bye, friends.